Hello students, welcome to online biology class. I hope you people you are very clear about unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. In the first unit, we have already dealt with nutrition, how the food is being taken and how the food is being digested in our body and how nutrients are being obtained to differences. This is the summary of first unit, isn't it? So that is about nutrition, the food supplying system. So in that we have studied how the food is being ingested, how the food is being digested, how the food is being absorbed and how the food is being assimilated and how the food is being excreted. Isn't it? So under various stages and what are the organs which are being involved, this is what we have gone in the first unit. And whereas coming to the second unit, right, what we have done, so the absorbed food material, right, so they are being assimilated. That means what? So during the process, the food material they are being oxidized, isn't it? During the process of breathing, we inhale oxygen. That means what? We inhale some of the gases and we exhale some of the gases. And when we compare the ratio or the percentage of the gases with inhale and exhale, we have seen the percentage of oxygen is more in inhaled gas, whereas the percentage of carbon dioxide is more in exhaled gas. So that we have been concluded oxidation of food materials is called as respiration, isn't it? Right? So in that particular topic, what we have done, so how the food material after absorption, after getting into the cells, how it is being oxidized. This is what we have seen in the topic second unit, the respiration, the energy releasing system. Whereas in the third unit, so that is transportation, the circulatory system. What we have seen, how these materials are being transported to all the parts of our body. That means what? To each and every cell of our body. Isn't it? Right? So what we have studied there, the arteries they supply the nutrients, right, and also oxygen to each and every cell. By using some of the enzymes, then the process of respiration goes on. This is what, so till now we have studied in the first unit, second unit and third unit. Isn't it? So now let us come to the next unit, that is fourth unit, which is called as the excretion, the wastage disposal system. I hope you people you have studied in your class 8 and also your class 9. Right? So daily we get some other things. Like for example, you may purchase a chocolate, isn't it? Do you eat all the things? No, only you eat chocolate and you throw away the wrapper, isn't it? The same way, when we get what it is, vegetables or fruits from the market, so the peel of the fruits are being removed, isn't it? It is being peeled and that is being thrown away as a waste. I hope you people have calculated how much amount of waste is being generated at your home. So, number of family members, isn't it? Do you remember the activity which you have been gone through in your class 9? Yes? So, the same way, there is no perfect or ideal system. Right? Perfect or ideal system. What do you mean by this perfect system or ideal system? How much it is being taken, complete things are being utilized, 100% efficiency. That 100% efficiency system is called as ideal system, or otherwise we call it as perfect system. But in our entire universe, there is no such 100% efficiency system. That may be inside our body, or inside any living organism body, or outside the body. Complete all the organisms, that means what, how you are going to generate waste in at your home, the same way waste is being generated in our body also. Right? Now the wastage which is being generated, that should be removed. I hope you know about, right? So early in the morning you will be listening nowadays, right? One particular sound of municipal van, right? So there how you are disintegrating what it is wet waste and also dry waste, isn't it? And that is being transported through municipal vehicle. The same way in our body also there is a system which eliminates this waste, which tries to dispose out this waste, so that particular particular system is called as excretion. Right? Already in your 9th class children, you have studied our human body or any organism body, it is being made up of cells. And so therefore we call cell as a structural unit, and completely the functioning is also going to take place by the cells. Therefore, what do we call cell as a functional unit? So cell is a structural and functional unit of an organism, isn't it? Right? So the same way, now what we can consider this cell? Cell is a small miniature factory, we can call it. It is a very small factory, like big factories what we see in our surroundings. The same way, cell is also a miniature factory. Right? Now let me say, why do I compare our cell with the factory? In these factories, that means what do I refer here? So that is nothing but the cell, right? So what do I call it as? So the factory is nothing but the cell. This is the cell. So now in these factories, continuous metabolic activities are going to take place. You can look at the metabolic activities. That means what metabolism. And you know, metabolism is being categorized into anabolism as well as you can look after catabolism. These are the two types, two steps in case of our metabolism. Now, what actually this anabolism means? The simple molecules are being joined, are combined, they are built together to form a complex molecule. Like many amino acids, they are being grouped one to another. They form a complex three-dimensional protein. Right? So like that is an example. Okay. So simple molecules are being combined to form a complex molecule. Simple molecules are combined to form a complex molecule. This building up process is called as anabolism. Whereas you can look after catabolism. This is one more process of metabolism. In this catabolism, complex molecules are being broken down to simple molecules. Like you know, carbohydrates, they are being broken down to glucose. Our proteins, they are being broken down to amino acids. So the complex molecules are being broken down into simple molecules. Now during this anabolism or during this catabolism, useful substances are going to be produced. Right? Like different factories are there. In all these factories, the raw materials they take, and from the raw materials they produce the useful material. Isn't it? The same way, so now what are the simple molecules here and the complex molecule here? They are the raw materials. Now from these raw materials, the useful substances are being produced. Along with this, energy is also being produced. And you know, these useful substances, they are being utilized for various purposes, and whereas the energy is also being used for different purposes. I hope you remember, right? The uses of this energy, what is being produced, that is being stored in the form of ATP and various bonds we have discussed in the chapter 2. Isn't it? Now, along with these useful substances and along with this wastes, what is happening? Water is being produced. Then some of the toxic wastes are going to be produced. Now, water quantity that might be increased in the cells. And so this toxic waste what are being produced, they are also going to be increased in the cells. Now, what do? They interfere with the cellular mechanism. That means what? So, as they are accumulating, they start disturbing this anabolism, they start disturbing the catabolic pathways. So, therefore, normal functioning of our cell will not take place. So, in a word to say, so they are disturbing our ionic balance in the cell. This thing what we can see. You know that we have studied in the chapter plasma membrane of your class 9. So that both the sides of the plasma membrane ionic balance should be maintained. Otherwise, you know, cell may be swollen, or otherwise the cells may be shrink. Isn't it? So ionic balance is going to be disturbed. When ionic balance is going to be disturbed, you know, cell will be withdrawn. Isn't it? The cell will be no more in the function. Okay. So now excess water should be eliminated, and this toxic waste, so there are different types. There may be urea uric acid, ammonia, bile pigments, excess amount of salts, all these things they are being produced. Now these things should be eliminated. And this, how this elimination is going to take place? This waste and this water is being diffused out. You know, diffusion. What is diffusion? Once again, this topic also you have studied in your class 9 plasma membrane. Do you remember, children? Right? So, by the help of diffusion, these substances are being removed to the cell external environment, that is extracellular spaces. They are being removed, diffused into the extracellular spaces, that is cell external environment. And from there, these substances are being collected into the blood and they are being excreted. That means what, they are being removed from our body. Right? What did I say? So these materials are being produced as a result of metabolism and they are disturbing our ionic balance. So they should be eliminated. How they are eliminated? Because of the process of diffusion. Where they are being eliminated? Into the extracellular spaces. That is nothing but cell external environment. From there, blood collects them and that is being eliminated out of the body. Now, how this elimination is going to take place? That is what we are going to study in our topic, excretion, the wastage disposal system. The main theme of this lesson is this one, right? How these wastes are being collected and how they are being excreted out. So this is the main theme of our present topic, that is excretion, the wastage disposal system. And actually this word excretion, this is a Latin word, right? And so that is what it is derived from Latin word. And in Latin, ex means out, crine means shift. So shifting out this waste material or nitrogenous waste material out of our body, right? Shifting of this waste material from internal environment to external environment and disposing them out of our body. This is called as excretion. Right? Understood? Clear? So this is an introductory topic for today. Right? I want you to copy this into your notebook, and if anyone asks you, you need to be able to say, what do you mean by anabolism? What is meant by catabolism? What are the different nitrogenous waste or what are the toxic waste which are being produced as a result of metabolism? And what is the definition or what is the meaning of excretion? These are the things what you need to remember. So this is about today's class. I give you 2 minutes to copy this.